Hello guys, you are welcome to my channel. My name is Esosa. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make almond milk. Almond milk has lots of amazing health benefits. It is nutritious. Almond milk can be used as a substitute for dairy milk. It tastes great in porridge, smoothies and hot drinks. In this bowl, I have 1 cup of almond. So I'm going to go ahead and pour water into the almonds and then leave to soak overnight. The next day, drain and rinse the almonds. Pour water, cold water to rinse thoroughly. Transfer into a blender. And pour 1 liter of water into the blender. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Blend until smooth. So I'll go ahead and pour the mixture into a strainer and a muslin lined sieve. Just so you know, you can use either of the two. I choose to use both because I do not want any almond pulp in my milk. When most of the liquid has gone through the strainer, gather the side of the muslin together and squeeze tightly with your hands to extract the last of the milk. Almond milk is ready. I'm going to pour the milk into a container. I can't wait to taste the milk. Like, I just can't wait to taste it. So I'm gonna make tea, okay, using my almond milk. Oh my gosh, you don't have to be buying almond milk. You should be making yours at home. It is super easy to make. Like, less than 15 minutes you are done. Like, super easy to make, okay? Tastes great. Absolutely delicious. I'm going to refrigerate this. 1. Almond milk can last up to 2 weeks in the fridge. Thank you so much for watching. Please consider subscribing if you haven't done so already. God bless you. Bye.